Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to spend only 2 hours working on my webtoon. Let's get started. As I mentioned in my video last week, I have exams this week and a few weeks from now I'll have finals and I am so not looking forward to that. Last night I slept late again because I was doing homework, but it's not as bad as it was last week. I went to sleep around 2 a.m, so I woke up around 9 a.m. this morning, which isn't too bad. My plan every Friday is usually to work on my webtoon all day and make a YouTube video. However, since I have exams this week and finals are around the corner, I've been sacrificing a lot of my art content time for studying and doing homework. So earlier today, I did some homework from 10 till 1 p.m. and then after that I studied a little bit and then I ate lunch. So I started drawing around 5, which is actually so bad. I put a timer for 2 hours because I still need time to record and edit this video for tomorrow, so I'll be done at 7 and then edit, record, maybe 9 o'clock I'll be done, and then I'll get ready to go sleep because I have work tomorrow at 7. So yeah. Last week, I almost finished all the line art for episode 15 of my webtoon. I only have 5 panels left to line, and then I can start the coloring. I don't expect to color too much today, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. Line art is the most tedious part of making a webtoon, and it takes me the longest time. It's also the part that I'm struggling with the most these days, since I can't really figure out how to do it. Line art just doesn't line art itself. I don't know how to explain it. Thumbnailing, sketching, coloring, and rendering are all pretty simple for me. I would say that the way I do all those things doesn't ever really change. The one part that has always bothered me is the line art. I change it up a lot and it's been getting a little messy. However, I'm trying not to be too picky and just overlooking some things here and there so I don't stress out too much. I think it's been helping me to make progress on my webtoon and feel better about my art. I did struggle a little bit today with the line art and it's definitely a little bit messier than it usually is. It took me a little over an hour to do the rest of the line art, but I was pretty content with it. I try not to look back at it and think about it too hard because otherwise I will notice the things that are off and I will feel like I have to fix it, and then sometimes I do and then it just doesn't get better and I just keep trying to fix it and fix it and fix it, and then I've wasted a bunch of time. So yeah, I finished the line art a little over an hour later, so I think I only had about 15 to 30 minutes to do the coloring. You know, actually, sometimes when I struggle a lot with line art, I consider just kind of like getting rid of it and not having it, but then it would look so weird, and I feel like it would be really, really difficult to make a webtoon without line art. Yeah. Anyway, I decided to start on the coloring even though I don't have much time left. So I did a tiny bit of coloring the backgrounds. I just filled in colors and, did gradients and stuff. And I also fully rendered a particular panel for a YouTube thumbnail, or for this video's YouTube thumbnail. So yeah, that's pretty much all I did in 15-30 minutes, and I didn't really do too much. I mean, it doesn't look like I did much today, but I'd say it's not bad for only 2 hours. Hopefully I get to work on it a little more next week, but we'll see because I have to study. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys this week. If you guys enjoyed this week's video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next week.